Rotavex Solution is an oral medicine used for mouth problems. Uses: mouth ulcers, canker sores. Pain and inflammation in the mouth, gum irritation. Discomfort caused by dentures, false teeth. How to use. Apply directly to the affected area using the applicator or a cotton swab. Use 3 to 4 times daily or as directed by a doctor. Do not eat or drink for 15 minutes after application. Rotavex Solution. Dosage: dose. Adults and children 16 years and older. Apply Rotavex directly to the mouth ulcer or irritated area, 3 to 4 times a day using the brush provided. Do not eat, drink, or rinse your mouth for 15 minutes after use. Rotavex Solution. Side effects. Most people do not experience side effects, but some may have. Mild burning or stinging in the mouth, stomach cramps, diarrhea, allergic skin rash, hives or itching, ringing in the ears, tinnitus, if used too often, excessive sweating or rapid breathing in rare cases of overuse, salicylate toxicity, Saudi drug information system. Important: stop using Rotavex and contact a doctor if you develop an allergic reaction, severe irritation, or if symptoms do not improve within 7 days. Do not use more than the recommended.